Welcome to Module 3, Lesson 4, that introduces the online food buying guide calculator for child nutrition programs. The calculator may be used for any USDA child nutrition program, including CACFP. This lesson will explain how to use the food buying guide calculator to complete the CACFP Food Production Record short form or Food Production Record for contracted meals. Operations that use the long form may skip this lesson. The link to the online food buying guide calculator website is provided in the Online Steps to Success Module 3 under Additional Resources. The online food buying guide calculator is made available by the Institute of Child Nutrition, or ICN, located at the University of Mississippi. The ICN is a national federally funded center dedicated to applied research, education and training, and technical assistance for child nutrition programs. The online food buying guide calculator allows you to search for food items and determine the amount of each item to purchase. The amount to prepare is entered in column 3 of the food production record short form, quantity prepared and served, or in column 3 of the contracted form, total amount delivered. The calculator also creates a shopping list that can be emailed, printed, or saved online for registered users. The website includes 5 tutorial videos that show how to use the calculator. The first tutorial is Welcome to the Food Buying Guide Calculator for Child Nutrition Programs and provides an overview and how to search for items. The second tutorial is Find food items using the drop-down menu. The third tutorial shows how to find food items using the search box. The fourth tutorial is Managing the shopping list. The fifth and last tutorial is the reverse calculator feature. The reverse calculator is used to determine how many servings can be obtained from a quantity of food on hand. It also identifies the CACFP checkbox that can be selected to choose multiple serving sizes for different age groups. If the CACFP checkbox is used, it is not necessary to combine age groups and a more exact amount can be calculated. Stop the video now and watch the tutorials. Packaged grain items may be difficult to find when using the food buying guide calculator. Lesson 9 explains how to determine the serving size and yield for packaged grain items, including but not limited to crackers, waffles, breads, and muffins. If you have additional questions, click the Have More Questions button at the end of the tutorials or submit them to the Institute of Child Nutrition using the Contact tab. The View Print Guide tab includes a link to USDA's interactive food buying guide and allows selection of a food group and category to view, print, or download directly from the calculator. The Food Groups tab is another way to search for food items by food group. If you wish to be able to save and retrieve a shopping list, registration is required by clicking the Register tab in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. On the registration screen is also the option to check the CACFP mode to select multiple serving sizes. This eliminates the need to combine age groups and results in a more exact amount to prepare. Note, when using this method, there is little or no margin for error, and no additional food will be available for larger than planned servings or seconds. Use the Login tab to sign in and find saved shopping lists. This concludes Lesson 4 on using the online food buying guide calculator. Continue to the next lesson on food production records that applies to your operation. If you have questions, contact the state agency or your area consultant. Contact information can be found in the front of the CACFP Administrative Manual.